Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Maths with Sabah. Today I am going to start class 9 mathematics KPK course book series. The first chapter of this book is matrices. Before going to start exercise, I want to clear some basic concept. What is matrix? An arrangement of a number in the form of rows and columns in square brackets is called matrix, and it is denoted by capital letter A, B, C and up to so on. Arrangement of number in the form of rows and column in square brackets. For example, we give the name to matrix A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the example of matrix. 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 4, 7 is rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are columns. 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7 are elements. Elements of this matrix. Row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1 and column 2. Rows represented by small n and columns represented by n. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 1, 2, 2 column. Order of matrix. Order of matrix. For example, a matrix A is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the matrix have 1, 2, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 3 columns. So order of matrix is represented by M cross N or M by N. M cross N or M by N. Here M cross N does not mean multiplication. So order of this matrix A is 1, 2. 2 rows because M represent rows. 2 cross and column 1, 2, 3. N represent column 2 cross 3 or 2 by 3. This is the order of the matrix. Now we discuss the types of matrix one by one. Now we discuss some types of matrix. Row matrix, column matrix, null or zero matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix, transpose of matrix, symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Row matrix. What is row matrix? Row matrix having only one row and any number of column is called row matrix. For example, matrix A 2, 3, 4. This is called row matrix. Here row are 1 and column is 1, 2, 3. Having only one row. This matrix have one row, so this is row matrix. Column matrix having only one column and any number of matrix. For example, 2, 4, 5. This is column matrix having only one column. Here rows are 1, 2, 3 but column is 1. Zero matrix or null matrix. Each element is 0. For example, matrix A 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called zero matrix because here the every element is zero. Square matrix having equal number of rows and column is called square matrix. For example, the matrix A 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 or 2 by 2. Equal number of rows and column. Similarly, the matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also the example of square matrix because the number of rows equal to the number of columns. Here 3 rows and 3 columns. Order of this matrix is 3 cross 3. Diagonal matrix. All elements are 0 except diagonal. For example, we have the matrix A 2, 3, 0, 0. This is the example of diagonal matrix because here diagonal are non-zero and all other numbers are entries are 0. Scalar matrix. All elements are 0 except diagonal and diagonal elements are same. For example, the matrix A 1, 0, 0, 2. This is the example of scalar matrix because here all elements except diagonals 0 and diagonals are same 1, 1. Here the diagonals are same. Similarly, the matrix B 3, 3, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also called the scalar matrix because the diagonals are same 3, 3, 3 and all other elements except diagonals are 0. Scalar matrix are also called diagonal matrix because scalar matrix also satisfy the diagonal matrix. But every diagonal matrix cannot be scalar matrix. Identity matrix. All elements except diagonals are 0 and diagonals are 1, 1. For example, 1, 1, 0, 0. And diagonal matrix is denoted by I. Identity matrix. This is also called unit matrix. Diagonal are 1, 1. Other elements are 0. One more examples. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is also the example of identity matrix. Here the diagonals are 1, 1 and all other elements are 0. Identity matrix is also called scalar matrix. Transpose of matrix. Interchanging mutually the rows and columns. For example, the matrix A 1, 2, 3, 4. The transpose of this matrix is represented by A T. We write 1, 3 column in the place of rows and 2, 4 column in the place of rows. This is called transpose of matrix. Interchanging rows and columns. Rows change into column and column change into rows. 1, 3 become column, 2, 4 become column. Similarly, 1, 2 row become column, 3, 4 row become column. Symmetric matrix. If A equal to A transpose, then this is called symmetric matrix. For example, For example, the matrix A is 1, 2, 2, 4, A transpose. We write this row 1, 2 in the place of column and this row 2, 4 in the place of column. Here A equal to A transpose. A equal to A transpose. So this is the example of symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. If A transpose equal to minus A, then this is called skew symmetric matrix. Let A equal to 0, minus 3, 3 and 0. Minus A. Minus A equal to 0, minus 3 become 3 and plus 3 become minus 3 and 0. And 0 having no sign. Now we take A transpose. We write this column 0, 3 in the place of row 0, 3. And this column minus 3 and 0 we write in the place of row. So A transpose equal to minus A. 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. This implies that A transpose equal to minus A. So this is the example of skew symmetric matrix. I hope you will understand easily. Thank you for watching my videos.